Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 7th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here at the end of the video in the corner. And don't forget to take a quick look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the euro dollar today, instead of maintaining momentum on this 1, 2, 3 pattern, what it ended up doing is making 1, 2, 3 waves up, made a lower high, made an impulse down. If this was really the continuation of the uptrend, this third wave right here would have maintained momentum because there's a difference between a 1, 2, 3 and an ABC. So that definitely was an ABC correction. Now it looks like there's a good chance that we still might get another push up. This might turn into like a 3-3-3 pattern or a 3-3-5 pattern because it still looks like it potentially wants to go up, and maybe this is going to be like some sort of an A, a B, and then later on go down for a wave C. So maybe like 3-3-3 of B or 3-3-5 of B for either a WXY or some sort of a flat pattern. So keep an eye out for that, but I think that more than likely it is going to end up eventually making a pretty decent move down for a wave C or possibly even a wave 3. So anyways, thank you for watching, and as always, happy trading.